What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new mouse, a new Razer Viper Mini mouse. It's a gaming mouse. So I do have another Razer gaming mouse. This one's called the Lance Head, but I wanted to try this one because it's a little smaller and I don't have the biggest hands. So like this one, I feel sometimes like I'm stretching my finger too much or my response is too late. So I'm gonna see if I can do with something smaller. So let's check it out. Here's the 61G ultra lightweight design, Razer optical mouse, Razer SpeedFlex cable. So I really like this one. I mean, when I'm in the zone and I get used to it, I can play good with it. But I think I want to try something smaller. So I guess there's a Razer Viper and then there's a Razer Viper Mini. Is which one we have here. So let's unbox it real quick. Not much going on in the box. Pretty much, box has this little thing that protects the mouse and tells you about the mouse and stuff like that. It comes with a sticker. So not much going on, but let's check out the mouse and see how it looks next to the other Razer mouse. All right, so side by side, this is the Razer Lance Head. Has an RGB light built in. Has light right there on top. Light on the sides. And then this is the Razer Viper Mini, which it looks a lot smaller, weighs a little less. So kind of like the RGB lights. But yeah, this one's smaller. It's supposed to be lighter. If you compare them, like I said, the one on the right, the smaller one, I feel like I'll be able to game more since I don't have the biggest hands, but hopefully I can adjust a little better to it. The cable is threaded, so they last a little longer, I guess. So same as this one. Here's the box for the other one. So let me plug it in. Okay, so here it is, side by side. This one does have light, an RGB light built in right there. It has a light only at the bottom, nothing on the side. So pretty simple. I mean, I like how lightweight it is. This one's a little heavier. It's just a little bigger, so I have to stretch my hand. This one, I don't have to stretch my hand at all. So that's the reason of me trying out this one. And it looks like it installed already, and pretty much tells you that you can set up like the colors. I never understood how to do all this stuff, but yep. This one's only about $49. I got it on Amazon, so not bad. We'll try it out, see how it works. Try it out with some Call of Duty. But yeah, quick unboxing. Just wanted to show you my new mouse that I just got, and hopefully I like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.